Good morning, with the latest market news, I'm Uliana. Asian markets were mixed in light volume on Friday, the final trading day of the quarter, with many regional markets shut for the Good Friday holiday. Despite the positive cue from the US shares Thursday, with both the Dow Jones Industrial Average and the S&P 500 marking record closing highs, trading was tepid amid a lack of volume as investors treaded water. Japan's Nikkei stock average was up 0.5% in tepid trading, as investors awaited the Bank of Japan's upcoming policy meeting. Expectations for fresh easing measures at the next week's policy meeting are high, as it will be the first meeting under the new governor Haruhiko Kuroda, who is committed to realizing the bank's 2.0% inflation target. The US dollar was higher against the South Korean won amid continued threats from North Korea. Reports said North Korean leader Kim Jong-un on Friday ordered preparations for strategic rocket strikes on the US mainland and military bases in the Pacific in South Korea. The dollar was recently at 1,113.95 won from 1,112.70 late Thursday in Seoul. In foreign exchange markets, the euro was mildly higher against the US dollar after recovering from a 4-month low Thursday, as the relatively calm reopening of Cypriot banks eased investors' concerns. The euro was recently at 1.2829 from 1.2816 late Thursday in New York. Markets in Australia, Hong Kong, India, Indonesia, New Zealand, the Philippines and Singapore were shut for holidays. US stock markets will be also shut. Today, everyone throughout Europe is taking a break in preparation of Easter, including banks. We have several news related to consumer spending. French consumer spending, US core personal consumption expenditures, price index and personal spending. French consumer spending 7:45 GMT. Along with an early morning croissant, we'll be getting the French consumer spending report, still warm from the oven. This data represents the changes in the inflation-adjusted value of goods purchased by consumers in France. Unfortunately, consumer spending has been far from peachy for quite a while now, gravitating more or less around the 0.0 level. This month expectations are modest but at least positive for a 0.1% increase. It was the latest market news provided by ICO FX. Goodbye.